Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will draw and color a swordfish in a striking and impressive way. Let's begin the drawing. The swordfish is a remarkable marine fish, best known for its long, sharp bill that looks like a sword. This bill helps the swordfish attack and stun its prey while hunting. Swordfish are powerful swimmers and can be found in many different ocean regions. They usually swim alone and are capable of moving at very high speeds. When drawing a swordfish, the long bill and streamlined, muscular body make the artwork look dynamic and eye-catching. These features also help viewers easily recognize the unique characteristics of this species. Now, let's start coloring. And just like that, we finished drawing and coloring the swordfish. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel. See you in the next videos, where we'll explore many more beautiful and fascinating animals.